Meaning of dispatch rider.
Dispatch rider.
Dispatch rider.
Dispatch rider.
Dispatch rider. A dispatch rider is a person who is responsible for delivering urgent messages or goods on behalf of an organization or government department. This role typically involves using a motorcycle or a bicycle to navigate through traffic and quickly transport items or information to their intended destination. The term originated in the military, where riders were responsible for carrying orders and dispatches to troops on the front lines. Today, dispatch riders can be found in a variety of industries, including courier services, law enforcement agencies, and emergency medical services.